Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to download or share or save your friends' WhatsApp status and videos. So it is very simple. Open your Play Store, then go to search, and search page you can simply search WhatsApp WhatsApp status saver. Okay, you can simply search and you can download any application. Here is I'm download this one. Okay, Light Media, it is developer name is Light Media. I download here and open that application. Okay, after opening you can see some kind of advertisement. Okay, so this is a basic screen and you can see here this is status, that means normal WhatsApp status, and here is business WhatsApp status if you are using. So even you can also go to like images and videos, and it is very simple. You can simply tap here and click here to download save a video. Okay, and also go to images and you can take any images and you can simply click here, that is saved. And also you can click here to repost. It will be open your WhatsApp page to share. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and there is many more WhatsApp status saver applications is here. You can try that, and my recommendation is if you are using any Chinese phones like Mi, Oppo, Vivo, IQ or OnePlus, you can simply uh, tap and hold this application and click here for an application info. Okay, then go to data usage and simply disable data usage from the beginning. That means after you download, never open that application, directly go to these sections, that means data usage, and simply disable mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you will get some ads stopping methods. Okay, but it will be show like ads. This kind of screens will become like ads, but if you turn off this one, you can save from you getting many more ads. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you are new to this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.